ever thought of earning money without even doing anything? I bet you have never even heard of such a thing. But let me tell you, it is very much possible, and I'll tell you 5 ways that'll help you earn money daily without any effort. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last method is the best one. Let's get started. What's the money-making method? Let me start you off gently. The first method I have for you today is actually something that requires you to do nothing at all. It's known as distributed computing, and it's as passive as money-making can get. This method follows a system that allows people, companies, and organizations to use the extra processing power from your computer or laptop for research and analytical tasks. And it's pretty simple to work around. If you have an inactive computer, you can rent out its processing power through an app or plugin. There are many companies that will pay you to install and run their software in the background of your computer. I've actually gone ahead and selected the best ones for you, so you don't have to waste your time searching. Here are the companies you should check out. MobileXpression. Our first option is MobileXpression. It's a market research community that collects data on your mobile internet usage so they can improve the mobile internet experience. And the best part is, you get rewarded for sharing your mobile surfing activity through the MobileXpression app. So, how do you participate? First, you just need to install the MobileXpression app and enable both a VPN and accessibility services. What the app does is it collects the URLs you visit on browsers and which apps are active on your device. When you install the app and keep it active for the first week, you'll get a guaranteed $5 Amazon gift card. And if you're from another country, you'll receive the equivalent of that money. Not to mention, when you join MobileXpression, you are automatically entered into the Your Opinion Matters raffles, which offer a lot of cash prizes, and they include a chance to win $100 every month, as well as larger prizes of $2,500, $5,000, and even another entry into a $100,000 raffle draw. And that's not all. You can even earn weekly prizes like KitchenAid cookware sets, Samsung TVs, Canon cameras, and Apple iPads. MQL5. The next one is just as effective and pretty simple. All you have to do is provide your computer's computing power to the MQL5 cloud network. To get started, you just need to download the MetaTrader 5 Strategy Tester Agent. Once you've done that, the next step is to register in the MQL5 community and install the MetaTester 5 Agents Manager. The Manager software controls the tester agents that will perform computations for the MQL5 cloud network. And don't worry, the programs are completely safe and work in their own sandbox. Once you start providing your computer's computing power, it will execute tasks for the MQL5 cloud network. And the best part? You get paid for it while having to do nothing. Your earnings can range from $1 to $6 per day, depending on how much your computer is utilized. And the more tasks you complete with your agents, the more rating points you accumulate. Payments are made the next day in the morning in one payment for all agents. You can monitor your earnings and see incoming payments in the payments section of your profile on the MQL5 community website. When you're ready to withdraw your earnings, you can do so through the payment system supported by MQL5, including bank cards and other popular payment systems like WebMoney and PayPal, which makes it easy to redeem your earned cash. Easy, right? Honeygain. That leads us to our next service, which is known as Honeygain. For this one, you will share your unused internet bandwidth and earn money doing nothing. Not only is it available in all countries, but it's also super easy to use as well. The first thing you have to do is just create an account on Honeygain's website, and afterwards, download the app. Once that's out of the way, simply log in to sync your application with your dashboard. Then you're good to go. I also have some tips to help you increase your earnings on Honeygain. For one, you can use the referral system and invite your friends. This way, when they start using the app, you'll earn 10% of all their earnings. Other than that, you can use the content delivery option as well. It pays 6 credits per hour, and all you have to do is share your internet connection and deliver bandwidth-intensive content like videos, images, and more. This means you could earn around $7.20 per month for each device you connect to the CD servers. You might be wondering if Honeygain is legit, and the answer is yes. It's a legitimate platform that's considered safe. The app's connection is encrypted, and it doesn't gather data from users beyond what's necessary for the service. Your earnings on Honeygain depend on several factors, such as the amount of data you share, the number of devices you use, and your location. Honeygain's earnings estimator suggests that you can make up to $55 per month if you connect 3 devices and share 6 gigabytes of daily traffic. A minimum of $20 is required to cash out, and you can do so via PayPal. To be honest, this sounds like a lot of bandwidth to share, especially if you don't have unlimited internet data. Please, confirm the numbers on your mobile contract to ensure you do not end up out of pocket. Uguo Browser. The next option I have for you is called Uguo, otherwise known as ebesher.com, and it's been around since 2002. How does it work? Well, simply install their surf bar. This will allow the software to visit websites automatically, and you just earn money having to do nothing. You can also earn money by clicking through advertising emails and participating in ad campaigns tailored to your interests. This one is a bit more active, but still a great way to earn some extra cash. But keep in mind that it's mainly targeted towards European users, and the website defaults to German. Don't worry though, you can still earn payouts in euros and choose to get paid through PayPal or bank transfers once you reach 2 euros. It has a low payout threshold, so you can easily access your money. The program works by renting out a small percentage of your computer processor, and you can earn up to $50 USD after account activation. Plus, you'll receive 5% of all your referral earnings. But remember that eBesher isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, so don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. It's best to view it as a source of additional income rather than a full-time job. And the best thing is that the payment methods include cryptocurrency or PayPal, and these programs are safe and legitimate ways to generate income while your computer system is idle. Golem Network. Lastly, there is Golem Network, which works almost the same way as the previous ones, but with a twist. This means you rent your computer's unused processing power to developers and get paid for this supercomputer that can perform tasks like CGI rendering for developers who need extra computing power. Now, the twist is that you can decide how much you want to charge. There's no fixed price. That means you could potentially make more money than on other similar platforms. Golem pays you with GLM tokens, which are a type of cryptocurrency built on the Ethereum blockchain. Also, you can earn escrow. This means you get paid up front by the requester before they use your computing power. But the best part about Golem is that it offers an added layer of security for safer transactions. And since you receive your rewards as cryptocurrency, you can redeem them for other goods and services. And that's about all. If you found this video useful, why don't you watch another innovative video on 9 ways to make money online without a website? Before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Now, go and set up your online mine.